Hey there, wealth walkers. Have you ever dreamed of cruising down the street in a sleek Lamborghini, turning heads as you go? Or maybe you've fantasized about walking into your favorite designer store and buying anything you want without even glancing at the price tags. And let's not forget about the ultimate status symbol, a shiny new Rolex adorning your wrist. Well, what if I told you that you could make those dreams a reality, all by doing something you're probably already doing every day, watching YouTube videos? That's right, my money-hungry friends. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make serious cash just by kicking back and watching some videos. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Making money by watching YouTube videos? That sounds too good to be true. But trust me, it's not only possible, but it's also incredibly simple. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world, and you don't need a single penny to get started. All you need is a device to watch videos on and a burning desire to stack that cash. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, I want to mention two questions I get all the time. First, can I do this worldwide? And second, can I do this with no money to start? The answer to both of those questions is a resounding yes. This method is perfect for anyone, anywhere, regardless of your financial situation. So, whether you're watching this from a high-rise apartment in New York City or a small village in the middle of nowhere, you've got the same opportunity to make some serious dough. All right, now that we've got that out of the way, let's get down to business. The secret to making money by watching YouTube videos lies in something called social engagement websites. These websites are basically platforms where you can exchange your views on YouTube for points, which you can then exchange for social engagements on another website where companies will pay you for that engagement. Don't worry if that sounds a bit confusing right now. I'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. First things first, we're going to use a website called addmefast.com. This is one of the best social engagement websites out there, and it's the key to unlocking this money-making method. When you first visit the site, you might have to complete a CAPTCHA to prove you're not a bot. This is because AddMeFast is serious about keeping their platform free of fake accounts and automated systems. They want real people, like you and me, earning real money. Once you're on the AddMeFast homepage, click on the Try for Free Now button and sign up for an account. It's a simple process. Just enter your email, create a password, and complete the CAPTCHA. Then, head over to your email inbox and look for the confirmation link. Click on that link, and boom, you're in. Now that you've got your AddMeFast account set up, it's time to start earning those points. On the homepage, you'll see a bunch of different social engagement options, like Facebook likes, followers, and so on. But for this method, we're going to focus on YouTube views. Click on the YouTube views option, and you'll be taken to a page with a list of videos you can watch to earn points. Most of these videos will give you around 20 points for watching them for 75 seconds, or 40 points for 150 seconds. To start earning, just click on the View Video button next to the video you want to watch. The video will pop up, and a counter will start ticking down. You can even walk away and grab a snack while the video plays. Just make sure you come back before the timer runs out. After you've watched the video, you might be asked to complete a quick image verification to prove you're not a bot. Just click on the images to make them stand upright, hit submit, and those points are yours. I recommend doing this until you've got at least 1,000 points in your account. I know that might sound like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, let's do some quick math to see how long it'll take you to get to 1,000 points. Let's say you start with the 200 points you get just for signing up, and each video you watch gives you 40 points for 150 seconds of viewing time. To get the remaining 800 points, you'd need to watch 20 videos at 150 seconds each. That's a total of 3,000 seconds, or 50 minutes. Just 50 minutes of watching videos, and you've got enough points to start making some serious cash. But how do you turn those points into money? That's where the second website comes in, playerup.com. This is a platform where people buy and sell all sorts of virtual goods and services, including social media engagement, and that's exactly what we're going to do. First, sign up for a free account on PlayerUp. Just click on the Sign Up button and fill in your information. Once you're in, click on the Return to the Forum homepage button. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the All Other Games and Marketplaces section. Click on that, Then find the letter F and click on Facebook. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Facebook likes section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a bunch of people selling Facebook likes, with prices ranging from $20 for 200 likes to $50 for 500 likes or more. The key here is to find a price point that works for you and then create your own listing. To create your listing, click on the Post New Listing button and fill in the details. Make sure to include in your title that these are likes from real people, not bots. That's a big selling point, and it's why we used Add Me Fast to get those points in the first place. Now here's where it all comes together. Go back to Add Me Fast and click on the Add Site or Page button. Make sure you're on the Facebook Likes option, then fill in the details of your player-up listing. Give it a title that includes the number of likes and the buyer's name, paste in the URL of their Facebook page or post, and set the number of clicks to match the number of likes you're selling. The most important part here is the cost per click. This is the number of points you'll give for each like. I recommend setting this to 5, so if you're selling 200 likes, you'll be giving a total of 1,000 points, the same 1,000 points you earned earlier by watching those videos. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save Changes, and you're good to go. Depending on how much you sold those likes for on PlayerUp, you've just made anywhere from $20 to $50 or even more, all for just 50 minutes of watching videos. That's more money per hour than most starter jobs in the US, and more than many people make in an entire day in a lot of countries. But here's the thing. While this method is a great way to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home, it's still trading time for money. And I don't know about you, but I didn't get into this whole online money-making game just to create another job for myself. I wanted freedom. The freedom to make money on my own terms, without slaving away for hours on end. That's why I've spent the last few years perfecting my passive income strategies. In fact, in the last 30 days alone, I've made over $10,000 in almost completely passive income, just from simple YouTube videos I made months ago on my other channel. And that's just one of my income streams. And remember, no matter where you are on your wealth-building journey, I'm here to support you. Keep watching my videos, keep implementing the strategies I share, and keep striving for greatness. Together, we can walk the path to wealth and create the lives we've always wanted. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get out there and start stacking that cash. If you liked this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the WealthWalk channel. I've got plenty more money-making strategies to share with you, and I don't want you to miss a single one. Until next time, I'm your host with the most, and this has been another episode of WealthWalk. Stay hungry, stay humble, and keep walking that path to wealth. I'll see you in the next video.